Who turned off the sun?
Hello, Ed boy. Have you brought the cupcakes of sorriness?
Okay, what? I'm sorry, okay? There.
Prepare yourself for an unmerciless making my own your crying stale end piece of white bread! Anything to say, Ed boy? Mama! Shablaka! Rolf is not amused, you that?
Come on, Rolf. I said I was. Sorry. Is it over? My money! Double D! Ed? Stay calm, Eddie. Think.
It's the time for some more racing iron. In honor of my ancestors! Everybody now! The honor of Rose ancestors has been avenged! Thank you.